Welcome to the class. Today we are going to discuss about the SSC syllabus. In the previous class we have seen the notification. So in this class we are going to discuss about the syllabus and the books which have to be read to clear the SSC examination. That's the latest notification. Post I have mentioned on the top of the board, and then today let us discuss about the syllabus. When we talk about the syllabus, this is, you all know that it is this examination is conducted in two level, that is tier 1 and tier 2. We call it as tier 1 for level 1 and tier 2, that is level 2. Level 2 is called tier 2. So tier 1 is an objective type questions. All the questions will be objective type. And then for negative marks is there. Negative marks is there. 0.50 marks will be reduced for every wrong answer. So you should be careful about this. So answer only for the questions which you know clearly. So let us go on to the subjects. When we talk about the subject, it is divided into 4 parts. The first one is the English language, 25 questions and 50 marks. And then second part is general intelligence, 25/50. And then quantitative aptitude, 25/50. And then general awareness, 25 questions and 50 marks. So this is the syllabus. So general English, that is English language. English language is school level English. It includes the grammar, idiom, phrases, prefix, suffix. If you just kindly visit the website to know the syllabus clearly. So it is all about the school syllabus. 6th standard to 12th standard you would have studied in school the grammar, parts of the speech, everything. So the basic English grammar will comes under this paper. So this is easy for all those who have studied in matriculation scheme, those who have studied in English medium. And then general intelligence, aptitude. This general intelligence, it is related to intelligence. This aptitude, this both is something mathematics related. And then general awareness, this subject includes all subjects. History, geography, all subjects will come under this. This is nothing but general knowledge. So now I am going to tell you the books which have to be read. There are incalculable books in the market. There are incalculable books. So we have to choose the appropriate book written by eminent writers that we have to follow. Then only we can be able to clear the examination. So source is very important in every examination. The source which you collect, that is very important. So source, the first I told you that English language. So kindly don't prepare from the NCERT books. UPSC NCERT is good for this. You don't go for NCERT books or Samachir Kalvi books or any state syllabus. So for this, for English language, first I suggest a Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. This book has been written by Norman Lewis. Most of the questions in the SSC comes from this book. As per my knowledge, most of the questions comes from this book. So I suggest this book, and then I also suggest another book, that is Objective General English by S.P. Bakshi. Most of the North Indians for SSC aspirants, they follow these two books. So don't go for another book, follow this or that. And then for second paper, that is General Intelligence, you can follow a modern approach to verbal and non-verbal by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. This is the best and foremost book for this paper. And then the next one is a Quantitative Aptitude. The same Agarwal has written, Professor Agarwal has written a book on quantitative aptitude. So this book is the best book for this third paper, quantitative aptitude. And then fourth paper, general awareness. Arihant Publishers book is considered to be the best for this. Arihant Publisher, Arihant is a publisher. Arihant Publishers General Knowledge. So these 5 books I have mentioned. For first paper I have mentioned 2 books. You can buy any of these books. So these are all the best and foremost books followed for SSC. And then when we talk about the SSC, for SSC 20 to 30% of the questions will be from the previous years. So when you buy all these books, you have to buy and keep one previous year's question paper book. So there are many publishers who is publishing the previous year's question paper. They have compiled it and it has been published as a book. So Kiran Publishers is a well-renowned publisher. That book is very good. Very solved examples are there. Previous year's question papers you can, for previous year's question papers you can, I suggest this Kiran Publishers. And then in addition, plus you have to study one newspaper. It is must to know the current affairs. So regularly you have to browse one newspaper. I suggest Hindu here. So this is all about the syllabus. If you cover this, first when you buy these books, kindly buy the previous year's question paper. You can buy any other publisher. I suggest Kiran. If you have some other publisher, don't buy this again. So kindly prepare this. The questions will be 12th standard. The qualification is 12th standard. So it will be a school standard questions. Many questions. It is not like UPSC. UPSC the questions may not repeat, but SSC the questions repetition you can see that. So stay prepared. There are only 5 months are there. Kindly prepare this. First you gather these sources for each and every subject you have to give. Usually students used to get full mark in this English language. Students feel difficult these three. Mathematics students can clear second and third. The fourth one, history group students, it will be easy for this because questions from history, polity and then geography. So for these 4 parts, daily you have to spend totally 6 hours, 1.5 hours for each subject. You divide the day into 1.5 hours, 1.5 hours for each 6 hours, 1.5 hours for each 4 papers, then 6 hours. So kindly prepare the previous 5 years, at least 5 years. From 2015 onwards, you can prepare. That is enough. So I wind up here. Stay prepared. All the best. Thank you.